Hello my dear friends, welcome to Rakesh VALASA YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I will teach you how to change AutoCAD workspace into classic mode or customized mode. After installation, any version of AutoCAD software appear like this. This is called graphical user interface of AutoCAD software. You can see the different ribbons or different toolbars in this window. Just you can move to the uh, workspace switching. Here it's showing different workspace options, drafting and annotations, 3D basics, 3D modeling. You can also create your customized workspace in AutoCAD software. Let us see how to change this this workspace into classic mode or customized mode. You can follow the few important steps. First, we need to close these ribbons. Here the ribbon means home, insert, annotate, parametric. These are called ribbons. First we need to close all ribbons. Just you can move to the command toolbar, command prompt. Just you can type ribbon close, RIBBON, ribbon close, then click enter. Now you can see here all ribbons are closed. Then you can move to the customized quick access toolbar. From this toolbar you can select show menu bar. In the show menu bar it's showing that different option: file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, draw, dimension, modify, parametric, window, help, express. Okay, after completion of this step, you can add your required or important toolbars in the different position. For constructing any geometrical figure, we need draw toolbar. So let us see how to add different toolbars in different positions. In command prompt, type hyphen toolbar, then click enter. Here it is asking that enter toolbar name. Here I want to add draw toolbar. Just you can type draw in the command prompt, then click enter. It asking that toolbar enter an option, that means show, hide, left, right, top, bottom or float. Here I want to add this toolbar left vertical column of this AutoCAD software. So I am choosing left, L, enter. Then enter new position, that is horizontal vertical 0 comma 0. This time click on enter. You can see here this draw toolbar tools are added left vertical column of this AutoCAD software. You can see the different tools in draw toolbar: line, construction line, polyline, pentagon, rectangle, arc, circle, etc. Similarly, I want to add modified toolbar in this AutoCAD software, that is right side of this AutoCAD software. You can follow same procedure. In the command prompt, type hyphen toolbar, enter. Enter the toolbar name, that is modify, then click enter. I want to add this modify toolbar right vertical column of this AutoCAD software. So type R in the command prompt, then click enter. Enter new position, horizontal vertical is 0 comma 0, then click enter. You can see here modify toolbar is added right side of this AutoCAD software. You can follow the same procedure, add different toolbars in this workspace. For example, I want to add uh, properties toolbar. You can follow same procedure, hyphen toolbar, then click enter. Enter toolbar name is properties, then click enter. I want to add this properties toolbar top side of this AutoCAD software. Just type T, enter. New position 0, 0. You can see it. This is the properties toolbar by layer. This is the line weight, line thickness, and colors. You can also get different toolbars from this tools option. You can move to the menu bar, tools. Just you can move the cursor on the toolbars. You can move to AutoCAD. You can see the different types of toolbars available. Whatever the toolbar is required, just you can click on the toolbar. For example, I want to add uh, dimension toolbar. Just I am choosing dimension. You can see these are different dimensions are available. Different types of dimension are added in this workspace. This is the linear dimension, align dimension, arc dimension, etc. Okay, after completion of those settings, just you need to save this workspace. Move to the bottom of this workspace. Click on this gear symbol. Save current as. Here I'm giving name as classic mode. So CLASS classic. Classic or customized mode. Then click on save. This is permanently saved in this AutoCAD software. You can also change different workspace dropping annotation. You can also change from dropping to 3D basics. You can also change from 3D basics to classic. You can also change this background color in AutoCAD software. Just you can go click on OP, options, OP, enter. In the options toolbar, display colors, the uniform background. Here default color is black. You can change from black to white or any other color. Now I am changing from black to white. Choose white color, then apply and close. Click on apply, then click OK. You can see here this horizontal or vertical lines are called graph sheet. You can also turn off these grid lines by using this option grid mode on up. The shortcut key is F7. This is the different views available in this AutoCAD software: top, bottom, left, right, front, back. These are the different custom visual styles available in this AutoCAD software: 2D wireframe, conceptual, hidden, realistic, shaded with edges, shade of gray, sketchy, wireframe, X-ray. Whatever it required, you can choose those options and draw the sketches in this AutoCAD software. Okay, this is the simple procedure to create your own customized workspace in AutoCAD software. I hope this video lecture is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.